This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a chart in Google Docs. Here I have a document called Sales and Expenses, and let's suppose I want to put a chart of sales and expenses in Google Docs. This is what you do. You go up here to Insert, and then you select Chart. Here you will have the option of entering a bar, column, line, or pie chart. But when you do that, it just inserts a generic chart in your document, and then you have to go and manually add your information. The best thing to do is to take an already existing chart from Google Sheets and insert that into Google Docs. And if you want to learn how to insert a chart or graph in Google Sheets, you can click the video above or the link in the description. So I'm going to use a chart that already exists by going to Insert, then selecting Chart, then selecting from Sheets. That will then open up this box where you can choose your spreadsheet that contains a chart. So I'm going to select Line Graph and then select Insert. And then this box will come up because if you have more than one chart in your document, it's going to ask you which one you want to use. And so you need to select the chart that you want to use. And then here you can choose to link it to the spreadsheet. So if something changes in the spreadsheet, thus changing the graph, that will be reflected in the Google Doc. So I'm going to keep that checked, then select Import. And now that chart is in Google Docs. If you want to see the source material because you need to make changes to that, what you do is you click on the image, select these three dots next to linked chart, and then select Open Source, which will open up that Google Sheet with that information. And so let's say I want to change this from 4,700 to 10,000. My chart will be updated here. And then when I go back to Google Docs, you will have this appear, allowing you to update the chart since it knows that you updated the information in Google Sheets. Click that, and now the chart is updated. So this video shows you how to insert charts in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.